At 12:01 a.m., the Midnight Express screeches into an abandoned station, its windows glowing blood red. Passengers, lured by a promise of escape, board with trembling hands. As the train rumbles forward, shadows stretch and twist, devouring all light. The conductor, face obscured by writhing darkness, collects tickets and whispers, "One way only." Screams echo through endless corridors as passengers vanish, one by one, into the abyss outside. Only empty seats remain, each etched with claw marks. The train rolls on, seeking new souls, never stopping, never releasing its victims.